This 2016 Fleetwood Flair 26E is a Class A RV. It is located in Rapid City, South Dakota 57702 and is offered for sale by Dakota RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 27 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 6, oven, refrigerator, stove-top burner, awning, TV, microwave, water heater, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2016 Fleetwood Flair 26E is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.